What is Ecotech? It's not candy. It's not a video game. It's a program that gives young students the opportunity to work as young scientists and understand the role that science plays in today's world. Ecotech gives a global research opportunity in bioenergy, biotechnology, and environmental conservation. So if you have a young would-be scientist who is in grade 5 through 12, you're invited to become a part of this outstanding program. For more information, call Ecotech today at 313-399-7893. That's 313-399-7893. Take the step today for a better tomorrow with Ecotech.
Okay, welcome back. And now we're at the experiment table with Moshe Williams. How you doing, Moshe?
Good.
All right. You understand biodegradability, right?
Right.
So what does biodegradable mean?
Biodegradable means to basically dissolve something over a period of time.
Over a period of time, okay.
And the problem with that today is we have styrofoam. And what we do with styrofoam a lot of times is take it, drink out of it, or use it for food purposes and throw it away. But when we throw it away, all it does is it's transferred to a landfill where
it sits in the landfill.
It doesn't biodegrade at all.
All right, so what you're going to show us today is you're going to show us how to not only make foam, but you're also going to show us how to use a biodegradable technique using biofuel to dissolve the foam. All right, so well, it looks like you know what you're doing. I'm going to step away and I'll be back in a bit to take a look at your progress, okay? All right, I'll talk to you in a bit.
Hi, my name is Moshe and I will be making polyurethane foam. Now this is the process of making polyurethane foam. First I have to take my part A polyurethane foam and pour 30 milliliters into a graduated cylinder. And then I'll pour it into my cup. And next I'll take part B of my solution and also pour 30 milliliters into a graduated cylinder. But notice that I don't pour 30 milliliters into the same thing into one graduated cylinder because then it will react before I can get it into my cup. Now I will stir. This is an exothermic reaction which creates heat, so there will be a little bit of heat in this process. Hi, I made this foam and now I'm taking an infrared thermometer to see how hot this solution is from the exothermic reaction.
Okay, Moshe, what's going on here, man? What is this foam? This stuff is hard. Is this the foam that you're talking about making?
Yes.
This is the polyurethane?
Yes.
All right, so, I mean, what's the next step? Because, I mean, what do we do with this stuff? That's real foam. Okay, so what do we do?
Okay, well earlier I said about the biodegradable technique.
Mm-hmm.
Well, our biodegradable technique will include biofuel. And what we're going to do is basically dissolve the hard foam in the biofuel.
Okay, well, let's see what we can do here. Now, break off a piece, and you want me to put it in here? All right, let me squeeze it up there. All right.
And it should dissolve in about 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, well, why don't you show our viewers what that looks like? Turn it around a bit so they can see it. Okay, so that is the foam. Okay, Moshe.
Yes.
We've waited about 10 minutes here, and it looks like your foam has dissolved. So, what would you say as a technique would companies and people around the world be able to use biofuel for? Other than just actually being used for energy?
I think they will be able to use it to biodegrade styrofoam and other products that we use that we just throw out and don't biodegrade in landfills.
All right, well, that sounds really good. So there you have it, biodegradable solutions like biofuel can be used to degrade things like foam that have a hard time degrading in our landfills. So when we come back, we will have Chandler and Keith showing us how to make crayons from soybeans.